Nexus, you find it all just comes together. What connects us in time is our quest to last forever. What sustains us in life is the best of us together in the Nexus. Defined is where the sum becomes the letter. Everybody come, it's Nexus time. Together put the reason to the rhyme. Every being earthly or sublime. Nexus thinking helps our goals alive. Now it's Nexus time. It's me, the Nexus time.
The Nexus is where disciplines converge. Science, art, engineering, culture, all connected in service of life. It's where we move beyond profit toward a purpose-driven, well-being economy for all beings. Logic 3 is the natural consequence of Nexus thinking, a framework that aligns innovation with compassion and prosperity with planetary health. In the Nexus, our sum becomes the lever.
Logic 3 divides the space in which we all align. Helps us see the ways that we can make our world more kind. Nexus thinking, systems thinking, helping us to thrive. Nexus thinking helps us think through science that's applied. Now it's Nexus time. Be the Nexus time. Now it's Nexus. Be the Nexus in this Nexus time.
This is your invitation to step into the Nexus, to learn, imagine, and build a collective vision for a future worth living. Join us in this course, join us in the conversation, and join us in the work of creating sustainability by design. Be the bridge between vision and action, between hope and reality. Don't just study the Nexus, be the Nexus.